Hey, let me show you how we can fix the incoming calls issue on the Realme 12 5G. So take a look. Here I've got the call that was actually a few moments ago, but I didn't receive any notification about this call. So first of all, let's go into the settings. Now, when you are here, you will start from this screen, so you will have to scroll down a little bit and go into the notifications and the status bar. Now, from all of this up, notifications, I can highly recommend you to select this and select all. And now find the phone application. It will be visible just right here. Open it, and now be sure that you've got enabled the lock screen and the banner notifications, because when you didn't, take a look how it looks. Now I'm gonna make the phone call, and I will only find this icon at the top. Wait for it. There we go. As you can see now, I've got this icon. I see that something is actually calling, but I have to open this. So we have to enable the lock screen and the banner notifications. And now when I repeat and also enable the vibrations, I will be able to get this incoming call screen. There we go. So now I can actually answer the phone call. But if this method doesn't actually fix your issue, you can try to go for the incoming calls and be sure that you enable the lock screen for incoming calls, also that you enable vibrations and the ringtone. As you can see right here, for some reason I don't have the ringtone enabled, so I can, for example, get automatic ringtone. If you still have this issue, you can try to go back from this one and be sure that you do not have enabled the do not disturb mode. So if you don't have it right here, I will recommend you to go into the notifications and the status bar, then go to the more settings. We are searching for the do not disturb mode, but for some reason it's not here. So go back and input here do not. Okay, there we go, do not disturb mode. So be sure that this function is actually turned off. Next, also be sure that when we go into the system sound settings, that you've got a normal mode. Not vibrate, not silent, just ring mode. Then if it still doesn't fix your issue, go into the mobile network, then tap on the SIM first, and you have to try to turn off the VoLTE calls and the Wi-Fi calls. And also you can go into your phone dialer, then you have to click on the three dots in the right upper corner, open settings, and be sure that you turn off these functions: filter spam calls, see caller ID and a spam ID, and also go into the blocked numbers and be sure that you unselect this function, so you will be able to receive calls from the unknown callers, and also be sure that you are not blocking this specific caller. So that's all for this video. Right now, please tell me if it works and subscribe to my channel.